Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the remaining part of 22 lessons adverbs. Okay, the first question is here, or question number is here. Okay, look here. B. Make sentences with the comparative and superlative form of the adverbs in the bracket. Using the adverbs in the brackets, we have to make the comparative form or superlative form of that adverb. Okay, look here. The first example is here. Eagles and hawks see dash than humans, and in that bracket there is adverb, that is well. Okay, we have to use the correct form of that adverb in a form of comparative or in a form of superlative according to sentence meaning. Look here the use with them, so we should use here comparative form of that adverb. Okay, well, so we can use here better. Are you getting that? Now the sentence look like eagles and hawks see better than humans. Okay, better than humans. It is comparison between birds and humans. Are you getting that? Eagles and hawks see better than humans. Okay, these are the birds. These are the birds, and they compare with humans. Okay, so we have to use here comparative form, that is the better, that adverbs form, base form, that is better. Now the second example is here. Anna and Tom travel dash out of all the boys and girls in the class. Okay, and adverb is far. Okay, so according to this sentence meaning, you have to use here comparative form, and that is the further. F-A-R-T-H-E-R, further. Okay, are you getting that? According to sentence meaning, you have to use here comparative form of that adverb. Now the third sentence is here. Sorry. The cheetah runs dash than all the big cats. Okay, the cheetah runs dash than all the big cats, and the adverb in the bracket, that is the fast. We have to use the appropriate form of that adverb. Adverbs in brackets. Okay, according to sentence meaning, we have to use here the correct word or correct comparative or superlative form. Okay, in the blanks. The cheetah runs, okay, faster than all the big cats. Okay, here you can write here faster, that is the comparative form. That means cheetah and all the big cats that are compared here, so we should write here faster, the comparative form of that adverb, fast. Okay, now the fourth example is here. Okay, look here. He visits our grandparents dash than I do. Okay, so look here. He visits our grandparents dash than I do, and in bracket there is an adverb, that is often. We have to use the correct form, so we can use here correct form, more often. More often, that is the correct form of that adverb in that blanks. Now the fifth one is here, Mark's works. Okay, look here, Mark is the name of that person. Okay, instead of that Mark, you can use any another name. Okay, like Sushi, like whatever you can take here. Mark is the name of that person. Okay, name of the person. You can take here also Raju. Okay, in the place of Mark, you can take here Raju also. Okay, Mark works dash enthusiastically than he did last year. Okay, according to sentence meaning, then you can use here. Okay, enthusiastically already given here, so you can add here only more. According to sentence meaning, you have to add here more plus enthusiastically. Okay, enthusiastically. Now next one is there. Mark was more enthusiastic than he did last year. Now sixth one is here. During the ballet, okay, during the ballet performance, Anna danced dash of all the dancers. Okay, and elegant means attractive. Okay, elegant means attractive, that is the adverb. According to this adverb, you can use here, and you can write here most elegantly. Okay, elegant. Okay. Now during the ballet performance, Anna danced most elegantly of all the dancers. Full stop. In this way, you can complete these questions with the help of that adverbs in the brackets. You can make the comparative or superlative form of that adverb. The remaining part of these lessons we will see in next video. Thank you.